Whose glove is that, Secret? Whose glove is that? You're going to lose your glove? It's not his glove, is it Christopher's glove? Oh. Is it my glove, is it? Would you like your toy for my glove? 2 toys for my glove? That's quite a deal. And I get the glove. Okay, I get the glove. And Secret's out because she has 2 toys. Whoops. A ball and a stick. Christopher's is for golf. Hey, Christopher. Secret! Where did you go, Secret? Secret! Where is she, Christopher? There's Secret. Have you still got the ball?